What is up, my crafty friends? My name is Carrie and I want to welcome you back to my channel today. Whether it's your first visit or you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome, my friend. Y'all, I've been driving all day long just to get to Mississippi so I can have Thanksgiving with my wonderful family. And the other day on my live, I said, you know, my grandmother makes the most wonderful cornbread dressing. And when I asked y'all if y'all wanted the recipe, everybody said yes. So, y'all, this is Mamaw, and she's going to share her recipe for homemade Southern cornbread dressing. So if you want to learn how to make Mamaw's cornbread dressing, keep watching this video. If you enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up because that would mean the world to me. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to turn on all those notifications if you don't want to miss anything I've got coming your way. So that's what I'm talking, y'all. Let's learn how to make Mamaw's dressing. Say hey, Mamaw.
Hey, Mamaw.
Ready? I'm ready.
Okay. A teaspoon of vegetable seasoning. That I usually use Crisco. And 1 egg. 1.5 cups of milk. You can use buttermilk or plain milk. A 1/4 cup of oil. And 2 cups of cornmeal mix. I fixed 2 pans of that. 2 small onions that I put in the blender because my family don't like onions. Look, my pounds of bread, and then I put my onion in there. Now I'm going to put my broth in there so I can get it all together. Seasoning in it. I hardly ever use sage in mine because I don't like sage.
So how much poultry seasoning?
Poultry seasoning.
How much?
Just how much it needs. I put it in here. I just put it and then I stir it up to see if it's enough because I don't measure. And then I leave it up. I don't know how much salt and pepper I put.
Sorry.
I just put till I think that's enough. Now we have to taste to see what we need to do. If we need salt and pepper or more sage, more poultry seasoning.
Okay. So how much butter, Mamaw?
2 sticks of butter.
Melted or unmelted?
Just, you can melt it, or you just lay it out and let it get soft. That's what I did.
What next, Mamaw?
I'm going to beat it up again.
What are you putting in?
2 cans of cream of chicken soup.
Okay. Okay, let me taste of it.
Okay. Tell me what I need.
It's good. I think it's good.
I got enough salt and pepper in it, don't I?
Yep.
According to how many you want. I put, when I make my cornbread, sometimes I just put 1, sometimes I put 2. But when it's, the more eggs you put, the better it is. The fluffier it is. Turn it off.
But you want to make sure you taste of it before you put your eggs, right?
Yeah. Well, I'm a taster anyway, and I can't cook without tasting.
So you're putting 8 eggs in?
I'm putting 8 eggs in.
Okay. Now you're going to mix it up some more.
I'm going to feed it some more. Yes.
Just put your hand inside your pan here.
Yeah.
And then what? We're going to put the dressing in the pan?
Yep.
And then what happens?
Then it'll be time to cook, but I'm not going to cook it till Thursday, so.
So how long do you cook it for when you get ready?
good question. We will see.
You cook it on 350?
No, I cook it on 425, somewhere around in there.
Until it's done, until it's brown.
Yeah. Wait till I get it ready for you. Doing it time.
Chicken broth?
Chicken. The wings off of the chicken I crumble up and I put for my giblet gravy.
Now how much, you just cooked this chicken ahead of time?
Yes, I cooked it yesterday.
You just cooked it in the oven for how long?
No, I cooked it in a boiler with water.
You boiled it, okay.
And when it gets done, I just take it out and pull the skin off. But this is for, I put my meat from the wings in my pan for my giblet gravy, and then when I get my dressing made, I put a couple of spoons in here for my giblet gravy. When I say giblet gravy, I don't mean giblet, I mean it's just white meat. That's what I like. 2 tablespoons of dressing and some meat off of the wings of the chicken. That's what I put.
And that's how you make your giblet gravy?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I cook, when I start to cook my gravy, I put my canned cream of chicken and I get me a little thickening water and flour, and I thicken it up just a little and put it in here so it won't be runny.
Okay.
That's what I do. That's it.
That does it for today's video, y'all. If you enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up because that would mean the world to me. And I know it would also mean the world to Mamaw too. So be sure to give Mamaw 2 big thumbs up. Y'all, if you enjoy it a whole bunch, don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you try Mamaw's recipe, don't forget to let me know down in the comments below how you liked it. Until next time, happy DIYing, y'all. Say bye, Mamaw.
Bye.